then tough about.
Slow down. Whee! Hi, that's good. Good, I'm good. Okay, can I be in the front?
Huh?
Yeah, the front.
Okay. Let's make a point real quick.
Do we have to?
Baby, I'm not standing up.
I'm just kidding.
Stand up, like
No, I asked if we could, like, whatever. Yeah. Gabe, say hi.
Hi.
Good job. Wave. Wave to the camera. Wave. Mommy. Gabe. Wave. We're making pork, as he says.
As soon as I get home.
Hang on.
That's another movie that we have to get.
What?
The Pirates.
The Pirates of the Caribbean.
They left it open for another one.
Did they really? Oh, yeah. The end of it.
I thought you said
They should. They should.
I thought you said you didn't see the new one.
Oh, not the newest one, but no, they always do. They leave it open. Okay, we're at shore thingamajig. Come, yeah, there we go. Yeah, we made what? What? What's it called? We've only been in here for like what, 20 minutes? 10? Is it cold? It's not cold. Can you actually port us? Oh! God, thought I was gonna die. No, I'm kidding. Okay, what am I doing?
Make sure you have no valuables of any kind.
That's about it.
Glasses, I see them.
So you didn't lose them.
Let's get it.
Okay, good. That makes it better. I thought you were kidding. Are we swimming? Okay, bye-bye. Say what? Say what? Bye-bye? Bye-bye? Okay.